was on this job today, fairly hard asphalt, and I wanted to get your opinion on something, and that's running soap in your water tank. I've been running on this job off and on, just a testing, running some concentrated Dawn dish soap in the water tank, about a cup per tank full. And I've used it for years to help keep the dirt from sticking to the drum when you do dirt work. Clay, sometimes you can get away with it as long as you have the drum nice and wet before you go into the ground. And this first time trying it in hard material, just asphalt, to see if it made a difference. And I was really surprised. I actually picked up about 5 to 10 foot per minute travel speed, and I went from wearing out completely a drum of teeth in one day to maybe only halfway or 3/4 of the way good still, I should say, where I was able to go into the second day with a set of teeth. So I think there is some lubrication factor going on, or maybe the fine's not sticking to the teeth and heating them up as much. And the vacuum fan also, I've noticed a little bit of water that I run in it, it's been keeping the vac fan cleaner. So I just want to get your opinion, maybe in the comments, if you've run soap in your water, if you've seen any benefit to that, what your opinion is on it. So let me know in the comments what you think. Hopefully a new video coming out soon, but until then, be safe and let me know.